Hello everyone, I'm Fazamas Khan from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. In today's video, we'll be learning about subject ADA, which is Analysis and Design of Algorithm, and a topic under the subject ADA, which is Brute Force Approaches. Introduction to Brute Force Approaches. Brute force algorithms are straightforward methods that systematically explore all possible solutions to a problem. These approaches are often used in computer science and engineering for their simplicity and reliability. Brute force algorithms can be applied to a wide range of problems, from searching and sorting to optimization and cryptography. Coming on to the characteristics, brute force algorithms are typically easy to implement and understand. They guarantee finding the optimal solution but may not always be the most efficient method. The time complexity of brute force algorithms is often exponential, making them impractical for large datasets. Brute force approaches. The first one is string matching. Problem is given a text string and a pattern, find all occurrences of the pattern in the text. Solution for it is sliding the pattern over the text one by one and check for a match at every position. Time complexity is given where n is the length of the text and m is the length of the pattern. The second one is subset generation. Problem is generate all subsets of a given set. Brute force algorithm generate all subsets. Solution for it is using binary representation of numbers from 0 to 2 power n minus 1, where n is the number of elements in the set to represent each subset. Time complexity is given here, where n is the number of elements in the set. The third one is traveling salesman problem, TSP. Problem is to find the shortest possible route that visits each city exactly once and returns to the origin city. Solution is generate all permutations of cities and calculate the total distance for each permutation. Time complexity is given here, where n is the number of cities. The fourth one is subset sum problem. The problem is given a set of integers and a target sum. Find if there exists a subset whose sum equals the target. Brute force algorithm check all subsets. Solution is to generate all subsets and check if any subset sum equals the target sum. Time complexity is given where n is the number of elements in the set. The fifth one is brute force search in games. Problem is to find the optimal move in games like chess by evaluating all possible moves up to a certain depth. Brute force algorithm minimax with alpha beta pruning. Generate all possible moves and evaluate each using minimax algorithm with alpha beta pruning to reduce the number of nodes evaluated. The time complexity depends on the branching factor and depth of the game tree. Analysis of brute force approach. While brute force algorithms are reliable, they are often not the most effective and efficient solution. The exponential time complexity of many brute force approaches makes them impractical for large datasets. It is essential to consider the problem size and constraints before choosing a brute force method. Now, when to use brute force approaches? Number one, brute force algorithms are suitable for small input sizes or when the problem complexity is low. Second one, they can be a good starting point for solving a problem before exploring more advanced techniques. Third one is understanding the limitations and trade-offs of brute force approaches is crucial for effective algorithm design. Some of the real-world applications of brute force approaches. Brute force approaches are commonly used in password cracking and encryption breaking. They can also be utilized in combinational problems such as generating permutations and combinations. Understanding how to apply and optimize brute force algorithms is valuable in various fields, including cybersecurity and data analysis. In conclusion, we can say that brute force approaches play a fundamental role in algorithm design, providing simple and reliable solutions. While not always the most efficient method, brute force algorithms are valuable for solving small scale problems. By understanding their characteristics and limitations, computer science and engineering students can effectively leverage brute force approaches in their work. Thank you for watching.